BigB, Pearl.
Oh, yeah?
We need to talk about Judge, Judy, and Executioner.
Well, Tim
We
does
also need to
because
talk
me and
about-
Joel really
yeah.
have no stakes in that story.
Yeah, but we want to talk about why
exactly
you've...
is that?
You know...
What?
Pearl,
She doesn't
you
even...
killed
she-
Judge, Judy, and
See,
Executioner.
That's worse than
even the
Grian saying
main
who
person
asked.
involved doesn't know who Judge, Judy, and Executioner is.
BigB, you were there. Pearl, you
Is this
literally chucked him
3
off.
different people or just one?
No.
What's the button do?
Judge, Judy, and Executioner. They
What's
don't...
wrong with Pearl?
Why is there buttons
Judge, Judy, and
everywhere?
Executioner is one person. One-
Actually, I know exactly where Judge Judy and Executioner
Oh! Oh, BigB!
Oh, there was buttons!
You got Pearl as well! Are you the boogie?
No, I'm not the boogie!
Where did you press it?
Yeah, there was buttons on the floor, Joe!
Oh my...
I'm leaving.
Dude!
I'm leaving.
him!
Yeah, he pressed the bloody button. Of course he did. Hey, bad boy.
Grian!
Wait, mine's red.
Grian, you don't go against the family. Come on, man.
It was an
Now he has
accident,
to
Sky.
die.
It's an accident.
Grian, I need my time back now. I do. I need it back.
No. No.
I need my time back now,
No.
Grian.
No, it's
You
not
can't
happening.
just kill me like that.
I didn't kill you on purpose. They left
Dude,
buttons on the floor, Jimmy.
Dude, and why did you press them?
Because I'm me.
Dude, I'm on my knees right now. 6.5 hours. I am on my knees.
6.5 hours.